So I'll be showing you how to hide Instagram messages or conversations. So this is very simple. All you have to do is go to your DMs. You can either swipe like that, or you can tap on this icon here and that takes you to your Instagram messages, and then find that conversation you want to hide. So let's say it's this one. What you want to do is just swipe across on that conversation, and a menu will appear, and you can tap on the three dots on that menu and then select lock chat, and that's going to scan your face with Face ID. And then once the chat is locked, it's also hidden. So that's it. You can see the chat has disappeared from my list of conversations. And if you want to find it, you just swipe down on the messages and you should see at the top there locked chats. You can tap on that. It's going to scan your face for authentication, and then you can see your Instagram DMs. Okay, you can read them and then just go back to the normal DMs section and leave those locked and hidden. Simple as that. So that is basically how to hide. Now if you want to unhide, again swipe down to reveal the locked chats. You can tap on that. Again, it's going to scan your face, and then you can swipe across once again, tap on the three dots right there, and then select unlock chat. When you unlock a chat, it's also gonna get unhidden. So you can see it's back in my main conversations section of the DM on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.